Your classroom is generating data right now, and this course teaches you exactly how to use it. You will predict outcomes, build warning systems, and design interventions that are both powerful and ethical. From data anatomy to ethical AI, 6 transformative skills built for the modern educator. Educators, instructional designers, and academic leaders, this course was built for you. Predict risk earlier, intervene smarter, and lead your institution's data strategy with confidence. Institutions that invest in data literacy reduce dropout costs, manage compliance risk, and build lasting competitive advantage. AI Ladder Academy, advancing intelligence and elevating education, one data-empowered educator at a time. Your students deserve an educator who sees them clearly. Start your journey with AI Ladder Academy today. This course introduction was presented by AI Ladder Academy to give you a glimpse into your learning journey. We've designed this path for your success. Now, let's dive into the first lesson.